Hi, I'm Andy Jackson, the service manager with Apache RV. We're about to do a custom upgrade from these Carefree Colorado shades to an MCD shade. These are operated off of these switches on the dash here, where you can raise or lower these shades that are just sunshades. The MCD shades are going to be sunshade. It's a duo. It's a sunshade with a blockout shade with it as well. So it's going to come all the way across here from A-pillar to A-pillar across there. It's going to come all the way across this gap here, so we're going to have our technician custom build a wood valance that comes down through here and covers these shades all the way across, so that all you'll see is the wood valance and the shades will come down from below. The MCD shades are going to run off the existing switches in the dash, and they will also be set with a limit so that when you have the ignition on, the shade will not come down too far, so that you can still have a blockout shade to block out the sun while you're driving, but it's not going to be in danger of coming all the way down to the dash so you can't see. So it's we're going to get started on this and we'll show you the end result. Okay, our tech is partway through the process. He has removed the curtains and curtain track from around the entire windshield area. We are now going to build out this area from here to here so that we can secure our MCD shades to them, so there's plenty of support there. We are also going to install manual pull-down duo MCD shades here, so they have them as well. There'll be a whole cockpit block out. So the whole cockpit will have MCD shades in them. On this side behind us, where the entry door is, instead of doing two MCD shades, since this window is so narrow, we're just doing one duo here that will cover this entire area. Alright, here we are. We've got the valance that we custom built to put in here to cover up the MCD shade. It's just dry fit in here right now. We still need to go through the staining process and everything. So you can see basically how it's going to fit in here. You see this A-pillar over here where we've just cut the hole enough to allow the MCD shade in there. And the way that when we did our measurement, that shade is going to just roll and fall and just roll right down this A-pillar and follow along, so you won't have any daylight come through. So this is the process and where we're at now with it. Next is staining. Here is the stained valance, and we are getting ready to install it in that RV in just a minute. Here we are inside a 2007 Gulfstream Tourmaster that we customized with MCD duo shades. We removed the curtains and installed these MCD duo shades here. The sunshade. Here is the blockout shade. We custom built and stained to match this wood valance all the way across to conceal the front MCD shade. we notched out these A-pillars so that it can go all the way to the wall, getting us as much shade coverage as possible. I will now demonstrate how the front one works. Comes down, runs on the existing switches on the dash. That's the block out shade. Now I will run the sunshade. The other neat thing about these shades is they can be utilized as your sun visors going down the road to block out the sun as you travel. I will turn on the ignition and show you that they have preset limits so that they can't overextend while going down the road. Come down to there, and that's it. Same thing goes for the sunshade. There it is. That is the 2007 Gulfstream Tourmaster that we customized with the MCD Duo shades.